Have you ever noticed that the loudest voice you hear each day is not coming from another person, but from your own mind? Long before anyone offers praise or criticism, your inner dialogue has already shaped how you see yourself and what you believe you are capable of achieving. Every thought you repeat becomes a quiet instruction to your subconscious mind, influencing your emotions, actions, and expectations. This is why the greatest battles in life are often fought in complete silence. No one else can hear the conversations taking place within you. Yet those conversations can determine whether you move confidently toward your dreams or remain trapped by fear and uncertainty. According to the timeless principles taught by Dr. Joseph Murphy, the subconscious mind accepts the thoughts that are consistently impressed upon it. It does not argue, judge, or question what you repeatedly believe. Instead, it faithfully works to transform those beliefs into your daily experience. If you constantly tell yourself that you're not good enough, not smart enough, or not worthy of success, your subconscious begins treating those statements as truth. Before long, hesitation replaces confidence, doubt overshadows opportunity, and fear becomes your constant companion. Many people believe that outside circumstances hold them back, but in reality, the hidden voice within often creates limitations long before life presents any real obstacles. Imagine waking up each morning with a mind that immediately reminds you of every past mistake, every failure, and every reason why today will probably be no different. That mental habit slowly drains your motivation without you even realizing it. You begin expecting disappointment, so you unconsciously make choices that produce disappointing results. This cycle continues until it feels normal, even though it was built entirely by repeated thoughts. Dr. Joseph Murphy often emphasized that changing your life begins by changing the ideas you allow to settle into your subconscious mind. This does not mean pretending problems do not exist or ignoring reality. Instead, it means refusing to let negative thinking become the permanent narrator of your life story. Every encouraging thought plants a new seed. Every hopeful belief weakens the grip of fear. Every positive affirmation begins replacing years of destructive mental conditioning. Your mind is like fertile soil that produces whatever is planted within it, whether those seeds are confidence or anxiety, faith or worry, possibility or defeat. The remarkable truth is that you have more influence over this process than you may realize. While you cannot always control what happens around you, you can learn to observe the voice inside your head instead of automatically believing everything it says. The moment you recognize that your thoughts are habits rather than facts, you begin reclaiming your personal power. That awareness becomes the first step toward freedom, opening the door to a healthier mindset, stronger self-belief, and a future shaped by purpose instead of fear. The most dangerous part of negative self-talk is that it rarely announces itself as something harmful. Instead, it disguises itself as logic, caution, or realism. It whispers that you should not try because you might fail, that you should remain silent because your opinion does not matter, or that your dreams are unrealistic because no one in your situation has ever achieved them. Over time, these thoughts become so familiar that you stop questioning them. They begin to feel like facts instead of opinions. This is exactly how limiting beliefs gain control over a person's life. Dr. Joseph Murphy taught that the subconscious mind cannot distinguish between an objective truth and a deeply accepted belief. Whatever you consistently accept as true becomes the blueprint your subconscious follows. If your inner voice repeatedly tells you that success belongs to other people, your subconscious quietly organizes your habits, expectations, and emotional responses around that belief. You may unknowingly pass up valuable opportunities, avoid meaningful relationships, or settle for less than you truly desire because your subconscious is simply carrying out the instructions it has received. This process explains why two people facing the same circumstances often experience completely different outcomes. One person sees obstacles as temporary challenges, while another sees them as permanent proof of personal inadequacy. The difference usually begins with the story each person tells themselves every day. Consider how often your thoughts influence your behavior before you even take action. If you believe a meeting will go poorly, your body may become tense, your confidence may disappear, and your words may lose clarity before the conversation even begins. If you expect rejection, you may hesitate to express your ideas with conviction. In many cases, the outcome you fear becomes more likely simply because your thoughts shaped your actions long before reality had a chance to unfold. This is not a matter of magic, but of mental conditioning. The mind directs attention, emotions, and behavior in ways that gradually produce corresponding results. Dr. Joseph Murphy encouraged people to become careful guardians of their mental environment because every repeated thought contributes to the character and direction of the subconscious mind. Just as a gardener removes weeds before they overtake a healthy garden, you must remove destructive thoughts before they become deeply rooted beliefs. This does not require perfection, because everyone experiences moments of doubt, frustration, or fear. The goal is not to eliminate every negative thought, but to refuse to nurture it. When a discouraging idea appears, acknowledge it without allowing it to settle permanently in your mind. Replace it with a thought that reflects possibility instead of limitation, courage instead of fear, and hope instead of defeat. Every time you consciously choose a healthier belief, you weaken the influence of the old mental pattern and strengthen a new one. Eventually, those positive thoughts become just as familiar as the negative ones once were, creating a foundation for lasting confidence, emotional resilience, and a life directed by purpose rather than by the silent criticism that once controlled your every decision. Once you understand that your inner voice has been shaped by years of repetition, you also discover something incredibly hopeful. It can be retrained. The mind is not permanently fixed, nor is your future permanently tied to the beliefs you formed in the past. Every day presents a new opportunity to introduce healthier thoughts, stronger expectations, and more empowering beliefs into your subconscious mind. Dr. Joseph Murphy consistently taught that whatever is impressed upon the subconscious with feeling and repetition eventually becomes part of your character and experience. This means that transformation is not achieved through one inspiring moment, but through consistent mental discipline practiced day after day. Many people wait until they feel confident before taking positive action. Yet confidence often grows only after the mind has been trained to expect success rather than failure. Think about how athletes prepare for competition. They do not simply exercise their bodies. They also rehearse success in their minds. They visualize performing well, remaining calm under pressure, and achieving their goals before the event even begins. This mental preparation strengthens their focus because the subconscious mind becomes familiar with success before it appears in reality. The same principle applies to every area of life. Whether you want healthier relationships, greater financial freedom, improved health, or professional success, your subconscious responds to the images and emotions you consistently feed it. If your imagination is constantly filled with defeat, disappointment, and fear, those emotional patterns influence your daily choices. On the other hand, if you repeatedly imagine yourself acting with courage, wisdom, gratitude, and confidence, your subconscious begins guiding your behavior in alignment with those expectations. This does not guarantee that every circumstance will unfold perfectly, but it dramatically changes the way you respond to challenges. Instead of becoming discouraged by temporary setbacks, you begin viewing them as lessons rather than permanent failures. You stop allowing one mistake to define your identity because your inner voice has become a source of encouragement instead of condemnation. Dr. Joseph Murphy encouraged people to speak to themselves with the same kindness, patience, and faith they would offer someone they deeply loved. Imagine how different your life would become if your first response to difficulty was not criticism, but encouragement. Instead of saying, "I always fail," you could say, "I am learning, growing, and becoming stronger every day." Instead of thinking, "Nothing ever works out for me," you could remind yourself, "Every experience is preparing me for greater opportunities." These simple changes may seem small at first, but repeated consistently, They begin reshaping the subconscious mind. Your internal dialogue becomes an ally rather than an enemy, gradually replacing fear with faith and uncertainty with determination. Every positive thought becomes another brick in the foundation of a stronger mindset. Every encouraging affirmation weakens the influence of old limiting beliefs. Over time, the voice that once filled your mind with doubt begins losing its authority, replaced by a new voice that reflects confidence, resilience, wisdom, and the quiet certainty that your future can become greater than your past because you have chosen to change the thoughts that shape your life.